It's time to start using a lightweight, trendy screenshot tool to make your working and learning more efficient. Cropro is a comprehensive screenshot tool that is compatible with quick screenshots and can satisfy all your editing and annotation needs for working and studying. It uses up minimal memory, responds quickly, and lets you experience taking easy and efficient screenshots like never before. Cropro has many refreshing features that can help you capture any image or style and then annotate, edit, copy, and save it in just a few simple clicks. You can also choose stylish themes, stickers, and stamps to make your shots more personal and innovative. Open the screenshot window with one click. You can take a screenshot with a single touch and at the same time easily add text, arrows, and graphics to highlight certain areas. Also use pens to add your own hand-drawn content. What if the picture contains some private content? Don't worry, Cropro supports the Mosaic feature, which can help you cover some sensitive content without hassle. If you want to organize your photo library, Cropro supports all step tags, allowing you to better capture what's in your image content. You can pin your screenshots on the screen, which will greatly improve reading efficiency, especially when reading long articles or web pages. Pinning screenshots will allow you to better remember the key content, resulting in a much better user experience. This is Cropro, your best friend when it comes to working and studying. Plus, Cropro is also compatible with both Windows and Mac. Our team is dedicated to providing a smooth customer service experience, giving us an advantage over similar products on the market. Visit our website today to download the free trial of Cropro so you can take your document productivity to the next level.